Okay, guys, welcome back to this channel, and let's quickly solve this one. It's a quick one, circle geometry. So we want to find the value of A and the value of B. All right, so basically you need to know that first the angle on a straight line is 180, right? So let's say that this, if you look at this, very circle geometry is all about you trying to understand the pattern of the diagram. So from this diagram, you can see something like this, right? And this is about 132. So it means that this is on a straight line. So I can always get this particular point, right? Let's call this place X. So it means that if angle on a straight line, angle on a straight line is 180. That's X plus 132 is equals to 180. So X will be 180 minus 132, right? So X will equal to, that will be 48 basically. So it means that this particular point here, so let me use, it means that this place is 48. All right. So if that place is 48 and we want to get an angle at this point, okay, so an angle here is twice this. It means that this place will be 48. Let me call this place M. All right. So if I want to get an angle M, it will be M is equals to 48 times 2, because an angle at the point is twice angles subtended above it, right? That's the word. An angle at a point, angle at a point is twice, is actually twice the angle above it, which means that M will be what? So 2 times 8, that's 16. We made that 1. That's 96. So this point here will be 96. And don't forget, for a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles, the sum of opposite angles is equals to 180, right? So if I want to get my value of A, very simple. So I'll just say that M plus A is equals to what? 180, because it's the sum of opposite angle in a cyclic triangle, cyclic quadrilateral, I mean. And we've already gotten the value of M to be 96, right? So 96 plus A is equals to 180. So A, let me write the A this way so it won't be confusing. So this A is equals to 180 minus 96. All right. So, and that should be um 84, I guess. Yes, that should be 84. And that will be the value of A. All right. So we want to find the value of B quickly, and that shouldn't be a problem also. If I want to get the value of B, you will just say that, consider this diagram. From this diagram, you know you can find something like this. Something like this, right? Something like this. So this shape is a polygon, right? It's a polygon of this angle, and this angle. All right. So I already know, and there's an other reflex angle here. So we have about four angles there. Okay. And since there are four angles, we know that for a polygon we have n minus 2 into 180. So since we have four angle, 4 minus 2 times 180, that is 2 times 180. So the sum of angle in this shape will be 360 degrees. Okay, so having that in mind, we already have this point to be 20 degrees, right? We already have this point to be 48 degrees from our calculations, but we don't know what this place is. And we don't even know what this place is. Let me call this place K. So if I want to get k, it's very simple. We remember that angle at a point, right? Angle at a point is equal to what? 360, which means that m plus k is what? 360. And don't forget that m is 96, so plus k is equal to 360, right? So let me clear this part, or let me clear that part. So it means that k will now be equal to 360 degrees minus 96. So if I want to calculate this one, let's quickly use our calculator. 264 264. So we've gotten a value of k. So we need to get the value of our b. All right. So since we now know value of k to be 264, let's just put it somewhere around. So we know that this is 264, and the sum of angle in this shape is 360. Let me put it here also. Okay, that's the sum of angle in that shape. You see that it's easy to get the remaining point, which is b. I would just say, adding everything together, b plus 48 degrees plus k plus 20 degrees, everything sums up to what? 360 degrees, right? So b is what I want to get, plus 48 degrees plus, what's my k? My k is 264 degrees plus 20 degrees, everything equals to 360 degrees, right? So b will be equal to um, 48 plus 20, that's 68, right? So I have 264 plus 68, everything equals to 360. Do you understand? So b plus 264 plus 68, that should be 3, that should be 2, basically, with that 1. 6 plus 6, that's 12, plus 1, that's 13, that's 332, equals to 360, right? So what do? We take 332 to the other side, so 360 minus 332, that would be, using our calculator, 360 um 360 minus 332, that is 28. So our value of b will now be, finally, b is equals to 28. All right, so b is 28, and that will be the solution to this problem. All right, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel so you can see more videos of this nature as they are uploaded. See you in the next video.